So is too much competition in the online business world honestly making it hard for you to make money? Does it feel like, my course is just another drop in the ocean if I create it? Well, guess what? You're right. Let's just cut to the chase. You're out there, you're hustling, you're creating courses, you're pouring your heart and soul into content, but then what? It's like you're just hitting a wall. It's this massive, crowded, noisy marketplace that everyone is shouting and, it seems like nobody's listening. Why? Well, because most people are just playing an old game. You're following the herd. You're creating static courses in a world that's anything but static. Let's just break this down, okay? The root of all evil here is market saturation. It's the online course market that is actually swamped. Now, it doesn't mean it doesn't work, but you've got thousands of courses on the same topics, the same formats, the same old promises. You're a needle in a haystack. It's not just about being another course creator. It's about blending into a sea of sameness, not innovating, and not differentiating is the reason why that the static course model isn't working. Okay? It's not cutting it. It's kind of like trying to sell ice out in the Arctic. Now, here's a different twist. You don't need 1 million followers. Okay? You don't need to be a YouTube sensation or a TikTok star. Okay? You need to do what I call the 1,000 true fans model. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. It's about finding those 1,000 true fans who vibe with what you offer, who actually believe in your mission and are willing to actually pay you for the value that you bring. It's about understanding and addressing the needs of your target audience. And it's about creating value that actually resonates so deeply that they can't help but want more. So how do you swim against the current? How do you enter this game changer called paid membership programs? This isn't just about creating another course. This is about creating a community of people that all have the same common problem that you're going to actually help. And it's about building an ecosystem where you're not just the teacher, you're a leader and a guide and a mentor and a connector. And you're actually creating a space where your content isn't static, it's alive, it's evolving, and it's growing with your community. You're not just handing out information, you're actually fostering connections. You're bringing together an experience and you're making transformations. You're hosting courses, yes, but you're also managing resources. You're creating exclusive content, and it's about providing a continuous value that keeps your members coming back for more and more. With paid membership programs, you're really solving the root cause. You're not just adding another course to the pile. You're creating unique courses in a unique space in this crowded market, and you're offering something that isn't just consumed and forgotten, and it can't be copied, it can't be duplicated. You're actually creating an ongoing experience and a journey that your members are a part of and they grow with. And it's about engagement and interaction and building something that grows over time. And this is how you break free from the one-time sale trap and you step into the world of monthly recurring revenue. Putting this together and making this happen is not rocket science whatsoever. It's truly just about shifting your mindset, understanding your audience, and then just being bold enough to actually step out of those old patterns. It's kind of like you're trying to be this purple cow in a field of black and white cows, okay? You're providing something that can't be copied. You can't copy a community, and that's why it's so powerful. So here's the thing. Comment down below if this resonates with you and you're ready to actually break this cycle and dive into the paid membership program world, then I want to help you get started with that. Go down into the comments and type "I want to teach" and then put whatever it is you want to teach, okay? So put "I want to teach" and then whatever it is you want to teach, or maybe it's something you wish you could teach, or you have this really strong knowledge about, or you want to learn and become an expert at, and then start teaching it. I'll send you over a free training that will actually help you do that. Let's build something that not only just stands out, but can actually stand the test of time. It keeps giving you the ability to earn, and it grows and builds. Let's create a real digital solution. Let's create your 1,000 true fans. Let's create this machine that can actually deliver absolute freedom.